welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I am so excited because it is the kickoff of Sparkle Addiction 2023 and I am co-hosting with the amazing Angie, and that is Angie's Crafting with Diamonds. I will also include her information below underneath the description. We do require a Google form entry form, and that link is also located under description. You can complete that whenever you want, but you need to have that completed in order to be eligible for weekly prizes. And we are going to have a really nice grand prize, and we'll cover all of that later. We do have several giveaways. We're going to have a giveaway each week. Possibly one week we will not, and that's the week of Thanksgiving. We're going back and forth if we're going to have any videos then. But every Wednesday in November and December, you can expect a video from me. It is going to be a short video that's going to cover something about the event, whether it's additional sparkles that I decided to use, or maybe my progress or unboxing. I'm not really sure yet, but stay tuned for all of that. And on Wednesdays, I will give out a secret word. If you use that secret word in a sentence, you will be eligible for that weekly prize. This week, our first giveaway I'm excited to share with you is a $15 gift certificate to DP with Sparklers, and that is Tmall. So thanks so much for sponsoring us. We are still working on a couple of our sponsors, and so I'm going to include sponsor information later. More than likely that will be on next week's, but I want to thank all of you guys for participating in the event. We could not do this event without you, and want to thank all of our wonderful sponsors who were so kind and generous to help us make this event a success. There's not very many requirements on this event. You can use any painting that you would like. It does not have to be holiday or Christmas or winter related. The only thing that we are asking is that it is a happy painting. So we don't want any, dark paintings. We want something that's happy, that's uplifting, that is going to bring joy to everyone that looks at it. For instance, I have my painting here, and this one I kept going back and forth, but I am just finally decided I'm going to do the Sugar Plum Fairy by Mandy Manzano, and this is from Diamond Art Club. It is a 56 centimeters by 89 centimeters, and I love Mandy's work. Have not done anything all year, so I thought this would be perfect. There are 2 ABs that comes with this kit. If you're not familiar with ABs, that is Aurora Borealis, and they give off a different type of shine than your typical or your regular drills. So since this has 2 ABs in it, I need to add more ABs. I want to bling this out. You're not required to bling yours out, but you are required to include additional special drills. Doesn't have to be ABs, it can be crystals, it can be anything that you want to use. Quad cubes, for instance, that's really good. Glow in the darks even. But I have several in my stash that I have purchased previously from Tmall, DP with Sparklers, and I have purchased some more because I want to really bling her up. I've been wanting to do this one for a very long time. This has been in my stash for over 2 years. So this one is one of the older ones, and they do still have this one at Diamond Art Club. I'm not sure that it's going to be old or the newer version. I'm assuming since mine's older, with it being 2 years, this has been out of stock for some time, that you will receive the new drills. But with mine, I am happy with these. I started doing the outline, and I will definitely bling it up. So next Wednesday, you will see some of the bling and how I decided to do this. But that's all you're required to do. I'm going to be adding a substantial amount, but you don't have to do that. Just add more bling than what is on the canvas. So of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. There's not a requirement on the size that you need to do. You just need to show some progress, that we can see that you are making progress with your painting. We do have a Facebook group, and if you are not a member of that, that will be below as well. If you don't have Facebook, no worries. You can go ahead and complete the entry form, and then you can also send in your painting you're going to be doing to me. Just send me a photo. You can email it. My email is also below, or you can send it to Angie. You can send it to either one of us. You only need to complete the entry form once. So if you complete it on my channel, there's no need to go into Facebook and complete it, or go into Angie's and complete the entry form as well. So we only need that one time. We can both see it. And you're not required to have a start or a finish. So if you're working on something and you don't want to start on something else, feel free to work on that one as long as it meets the requirements of happy, joy. In other words, it just should not be a dark painting, any kind of horror or anything like that. We want it to be uplifting and to be joyful. If you have any questions, please reach out. But we are excited for this event. We cannot wait. Our Facebook is up and running. We have people in there that are already posting, and they're interacting with each other. We're having a lot of fun in the Facebook group. You can also post underneath Instagram, but those are not going to count towards the event. I will be posting updates in Instagram as well as on my channel. And once again, Wednesdays are dedicated for our event. So if you don't want to watch a lengthy whip and chat to find out what the code is, or if you have won anything, then you don't have to. But I'd love for you to join my channel if you have not done so. I have different types of content. I think you will enjoy it. But today's secret code is sparkle. So let's just get that one out there. It is going to be lowercase. That's really important because I'm going to put it into a random wheel picker next week. And if you use the word sparkle in a sentence, lowercase, that's what the random wheel picker is going to be looking at. It is SPARKLE. Use that in a sentence. Don't just say I am putting out sparkle for the giveaway. Don't use the word giveaway, because there's been a lot of trolls that have been out there. For instance, Diamonds and Washi, Katie, and Emeralds and Fairy Lights, Lindsay, they've been hit a couple of times on their last event, which everybody I'm sure knows that was Drills and Chills. But we don't want to have any trolls, so please don't use the word giveaway, but just use sparkle in some type of sentence. Please have that done by the end of the day on Sunday, and I am on Eastern time. On Monday, I will go ahead and I will spin my wheel and see who wins, and then you can come back on Wednesday and find out if you won. You can also come back and see what the next week's giveaway is going to be and that secret code. So again, the word is sparkle, and I am just so thrilled that you are all joining us. I am just excited, been looking forward to this. When Angie started thinking about an event and her wheels started turning and she came up with this event, she contacted me and asked me if I would be willing to co-host with her, and I was more than excited to do so. So we are really looking forward to get to know everyone and to see all of your gorgeous kits and how you're going to bling them up. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.